That's impossible. But I'm standing here with a testimony. Because you made a way. You made a say you made a just say to him, say you made a way. Just say to him that made a way. What could have caused me drought? What could have caused me to lose my mind? What could have caused me to lose my investments? That's so cool. When that car did crash and right off, when I lose everything. When I face discouragement, Mano, Sheka. When they didn't believe in me, you invested in me, gave me something. You birthed me in this earth with something, and you keep making a way. You I forget not your benefits. Forget not your benefits. Whoa. I praise, but I forgot not your benefits. That's the reason I will bless the Lord at all times. Your praise shall continually be in my mouth. When I got broken heart, you mend my broken heart. When I was struggling with unforgiveness, you caused me to forgive again. If it had not been for you on my side, where would I be? Oh, and I'm standing